All right, so what is good, everybody? All right, so we're gonna break down this chart for our overall setup due to the fact that the market actually went bearish, and we could kind of see what's happening here on the weekly candle. It's looking like it's getting ready to finally come down to this area here to retest, which is perfectly fine. Even though we got a loss, it's cool. It's all about just getting back in the game. Now, for the daily time frame, we do have some type of resistance here. As you can see, price did get to here on the 27. So you can see price falling back down. Currently, it is in a slight demand zone in this area here. But what we're going to end up doing is that we're going to be looking for areas to sell due to the fact that the momentum is going bearish, and price might even come down to here ultimately next week. Okay. So let's see what we could do as we go into these other time frames. So now we're on the H4. And when you look at the H4, price is currently reversing off of 38.2. There's possible chance that price could come back into these areas. It's a big question mark to that, but you know, the week is done. So I honestly feel like we might just pull back as well from here eventually and come down to further decline on gold on the weekly time frame before we delete it and get new settings for it. Let's go into the H1. Now this is going to be very textbook for masterclass. This is why we are trading today. We're going to draw from the top of this wick here to the bottom of this wick here. We're going to get ourselves a bearish fib. We're going to be looking for shorts, obviously, around these areas where we can see supply, you know, common sense, more of a bigger decline. So what we're looking for is a lower high going to a lower low position due to the fact that we ended bearish once again here. And it's clean as day, it stayed bearish, which is, this is beautiful. So I'm looking for shorts for gold today. Just while I was saying, I'm definitely trading Friday because this is a no-brainer for me, and it's pretty textbook from a masterclass strategy. So we're going to go up here. Once again, we're going to draw for this high. We're going to get ourselves a bearish fib. We're going to draw out. And we're going to make sure that the bottom part of the wick is perfectly aligned, as my computer always does this little weird lag. Very good. So now we're drawing from this top. As you can see, we have the 100 here, and we look at the bottom, we have the 0 here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to lock this up. Boom, and it's perfect. Now, go ahead and save my template as well, just for reference. Okay. Now, we're looking to have a sell position, and I am looking to, honestly, I don't want to get greedy, but I don't want to miss because I'm tired of missing out on money, right? But I'm going to look for, 61.8. Let me actually fix it. I want it to be a little bit more on point. I'm looking for a 61.8 short, okay? With the stop loss at tier. Boom. And a TP down here. Now, you already know I'm trading 50s. This is going to give us a 1-2 risk to reward. Okay, I'm going to say it again. It's going to give us a 1-2 risk to reward. It's very important that we take this type of trade. Okay, it's going to give us, once again, a 1-2 risk to reward. I am targeting a bearish fib on the H1. Once again, you can see the stop loss is at the top. Our TP is at the bottom. Indicating bearish fib. Price is going to pull back and go into this supply zone here. Once again, we're going bearish because, yes, this position here closed bearish, is ended in a low. So we need a new lower high, once again, in this area here. We're to get that lower high. Okay, we're to get that lower high. And basically, we're going to target into a nice lower low position. So we're selling here, which is at 2497.92. We're going to put a sell limit once again at 2497.92. We're going to put a stop loss at 2514.52. And we're going to put a take profit at 2458.96. I will screenshot it as well as send it to the chat. So pretty much that is the trade bias. We're looking for bearish, trade smart, trade regulated, trade on swing markets. Click that link. See you inside.